Are your patients showing up with musculoskeletal pain that seems to appear out of nowhere? Do some literally tell you they wake up with neck, shoulder, or back pain, and your usual mobilizations or manipulation techniques don't seem to help or even make things worse? You're not alone. More and more therapists are seeing these cases and noticing that they often come hand in hand with other symptoms like insomnia, headaches, low energy, brain fog, or emotional instability. So what's really going on here? Hi, I'm Tom Myers, osteopath, Fit for Futures explorer, and the founder of the Reaset approach. At the upcoming Inmedica online seminars, I'll be talking about why these problems are increasing, why conventional approaches are falling short, and what you can do to stay relevant in this fast-changing world. Because who wants to have bad publicity because their treatments don't work anymore? Nobody, I think. So, want to understand what's happening and why? Then don't miss out on my talk and register today.